Yeah, this table really beat my ass and tried to defeat me, but guess what? Okay, y'all, this video is starting off right here because at this point I had did it twice and it kept falling apart. So I was like, you know what, let me do how I do. And I think it kept falling apart because I was trying to do it like somebody else did it, but with heavier materials. So yeah, and I didn't want to show where it broke apart. Y'all know I'll show y'all my mistakes, but this video was already long. I basically edited a 2-hour video in like a 20-minute time slot. So yeah, I do want to take this time. Y'all know I be in the way of the camera. I do want to take this time to say, when you do DIYs, it's okay to make it your own and change up the products. People do videos so that way you can learn how to do it. At least that's why I do videos. And I had to make it my own. And yeah, that's why I did my pocket holes. I'm still learning how to work with pocket holes and screws. But yeah, make it your own. It's okay to change up the materials. And I knew originally this table was going to be so big, too big. It was going to be 70 inches long. But I was like, no, bring it down. Anywho, here we are. We're finally forming into a box. I was super excited. There is a much easier way than doing this than what I did. However, I have a small car. I have a Tesla. Big boards was not fitting in my car, so I had to get them cut up. Also, Home Depot, like my sizes were off. So I had to try to figure out how to finesse it. And yeah, so yeah, it was a much easier way to do this. If you do it this way, be better than me. Because I was drinking and flopping my head each and every way. Your girl was getting dizzy. Like, I was like, girl, and then I wasn't drinking water. My crazy tail self would be like, whoo, child, let me take a break and then start back drinking. So, yeah, crazy tail self. But, yeah, I'm just trying to make sure pocket holes, my screws are in. I didn't put screws in each one. When you see me moving it, when I'm putting the screw in, I'm looking on the side. For some reason, when it comes to me in screws, they don't be going in, like, straight. So I kept looking on the side to make sure it wasn't coming out on the side of the board. And that's why I keep kind of like wiggling my board and stuff. So here we are. It is a box. Like, I literally was screaming BITCH because this was the first time I flipped it over. It didn't fall apart. I was super excited. Now, I'm aggravated because it's not heavy. I just have on nails, so it's a BITCH to try to pick up. So I was like, freakazoid. And I was trying to be careful because I was like, okay, I'm not trying to make it fall apart. But yeah, I finally got it. I wanted to show y'all what the inside looked like. I was going to put extra boards in the inside, but I chose not to do that because I was like, whatever. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all noticed, it's some pieces that didn't fit, and I'm going to do what I do best and use wood filler. I'll say, if you have hardwood floors, put something down on the floor, because I kept scratching my floor, and I was like, whatever. So yeah. So like the video, y'all. Please like the video and subscribe. Give me a comment. If it's negative, I'm going to delete it. So here we are. I didn't record me putting the stuff on the sides because it was a pain in the ass. It kept falling off, and other people, I seen them pick it up and lift it and put it to the side. I didn't want to do that. So here I was showing y'all the, this is like an adhesive for the concrete, and I'm just putting it on the top. I'm pretty sure I'm not putting this on right, but I didn't care because at that time, it was like midnight, and I was tired. So yeah, and I wanted to finish this so I can upload the video today and I need to paint. So I was like, let me finish this so I can do my paintings. I can finally upload this video and whatever. And this video tried to defeat me as like, y'all, from it breaking the first 2 times I tried to do it, even when I was editing this video, like these end portions was recorded in slow-mo. I don't know how I did that. So yeah, it was crazy. I speeded up the video, but it still looked like it's slow. But anywho, I'm just making sure this is all on here. If you do this, please read the bottle, because I know for a fact that I'm not putting this on here correct. But I was like, girl, let's just get this on this wood and go on, because I was ready to just lay it on down. Lay it down, lay it down. You lay it down. So, y'all know I be rambling. And I had 2 cups of coffee, 20 ounces each. So, after that, I'm going to show y'all how I get the black concrete or charcoal. So, I have concrete that's already mixed, ready to mix. I had 2. And once this other one was empty, I went ahead and just used it to mix it, because I was using one of my little paint and thingy majiggies. So here I'm just putting more concrete in here. And this concrete, as you can see, is a light color. If you watch my previous videos, y'all all know I'm down for black furniture and stuff. Everything I've made have been black so far. This is a cement color. It is in the color charcoal, and it's a powder. And I'm just putting it in here. If you use this, please use gloves. I got this from Home Depot. I'm adding water. Even though the concrete was ready to mix, I still needed to add water to give it like the consistency I wanted and for the color. And I'm just mixing it. I'm really hoping y'all can see this. Because right now, as I edit the camera, a lot of stuff I can't see. As I edit the video. So I'm just putting it in here because I want a certain consistency. And I want a certain color. So you'll have to keep adding whatever color you get. And I'm glad that I saw this, because I was like, can I paint concrete and it actually stay on here? So this is my first time working with concrete. So I'm just mixing it. I didn't want it too thin because I do want that. I didn't want a smooth texture. I do like that, like a texture vibe. If y'all seen like my painting shorts, I like texture. I like stuff to look kind of old. So yeah, it was too thin. And as I was pouring it, also I realized it was too thin, and I went back and added more. But we'll get there. We'll get there. So this is me. I put it on like this because as I was putting it on the top, I realized it was super thin. And I was like, I didn't want it smooth. I didn't want it smooth at all, but I was like, let me just put this on here and see what's going on. And I'm just smoothing it out. Excuse me. So on this part, I'm just going to hush because I feel like I've been talking too long and too much. And I'm just going to play some music and come back. So this is the final look. I'm just trying to show y'all the side, the top. This is the side where it was thin, and this is the side where I made it thicker. I like it, the thicker side. Even though the thin side does have texture, I am going to go back and add a little bit more. So, yeah, because it's just not as textured as I wanted it to be. There are little areas that I want to add more and fill it in, but this is the final look, and I was like, let me just go ahead and finish this video because I got things to do. So yeah, I love the texture. If you are new to my what you call it, channel, I love textured stuff. I love stuff to look old, so I didn't want it smooth at all. I'm just loving it. That's why I keep touching it. I was actually talking and end up deleting the sound, because I had stuff in the background going on. Anywho, so tell me what you guys think. Please like, comment, subscribe. Of course, when I style it, I'll bring another video. I just wanted to show this. I have this under here because it's not heavy, but it's easier to slide it. And I'm going to put a rug here eventually. So I wanted to keep it here. That way I don't have to try to keep picking it up or whatever. I can just slide it out the way. I love it. Y'all know it's going to be black. But if you are not a part of the Kiki fam, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And y'all already know, tell a friend to bring a friend so we can all be friends. Thank you.